me tell you what me like about Island Wide Express is. See, at Island Wide Express, there are different options for everybody. So if you don't like calling, you can send an email and you can WhatsApp, and they are very responsive. And if there's ever a problem in your shipment, they will call you and let you know if no jeep there, if no delay there, if nothing there, them call you and make you know. Yeah, man. So if you want to good things, them ship with Island Wide Express. Won't regret it. Hassle free. Remember, me tell you.
Which shipping company you use now?
You know, so me use Island Wide Express.
Tell me about it now.
It's really good. Them have island wide delivery, as the name suggests. They also have text alerts, email alerts. They have combined shipping, which is like when you have multiple orders coming in, you can just put it all on one invoice instead of paying multiple processing fees. So they offer real-time tracking.
Is it affordable?
It's very affordable.
Great. So next time I'm shipping in anything, I can try them then.
Yes, you can.
There is nothing I love more than shopping online. Hassle free, everything just a click away. But one thing that makes my shopping experience ideal is getting my packages delivered to me in a quick and efficient way. Now, before I had other shippers, some I would have to go to their offices to get the packages when it's ready, join those lines, get it processed, problems, right? And then you have those others that would deliver to me at an extra cost. Another problem right there. Because who wants to pay more when you already are trying to avoid shipping, right? And then I buck up on island-wide deliveries. Why? A gift. Now I get my packages anywhere I am at. If I'm at home, I get it there. If I'm at work, they drop it off there. Anywhere I'm at, I just have to just pick up the phone and say, listen, I am at X point today, can I get it there? And it's delivered. Now if I happen to be in Ochi or Montego Bay, that is not a problem either. Northford Express. From Kingston straight on to the Northford Express, I just pick it up right there. I'm telling you, you can't miss if you go with Island Wide Express.
Yo, me a drive and I still have to big up Island Wide Express. Yo, them are the best in the West. Yo, the price are the best. No one can contest. Yo, people out there, try Island Wide Express. When your goods come, you pay the lowest price. Yo, trust me, them are the best.
I'm a hassle-free type of person. I can't deal with headaches unnecessarily. And my fear of headaches, my fair share of headaches, I can't deal with. Back and forth and thing. I have too much on my plate to deal with on a daily basis. So I've tried shippers on several occasions, and the stress and headache that I have to go through to deal with certain things to get the package cleared and some things sorted out, that's not my cup of tea. So a virgin of mine told me about Island Wide Express. At first I kind of was a little reluctant because I'm saying you deal with one, you deal with all. However, this wasn't the case. They delivered according to what they said. They gave me my package on time. They were efficient. And when you get your package from Amazon and other online places, they box them and double box them because you know it's a curbside or a porch drop off. So they want to make sure that your merchandise is damaged in the process. And all this fluff and insulation. Island Wide Express actually removed them from the package, repackaged them. So it's better for you and cheaper. Not only that, they're efficient, they look out for your well-being. And that's something I can deal with. Once they remove the hassle from me, that's my major thing. And the fact that they're efficient, and the fact that they're concerned about the bottom line to the client. Can't ask for more. Island Wide Express.